Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time. I'm hoping to get back into posting on this channel again. I do have a second channel that I'm working on. It's like horoscopes and tarot readings, so I'll link that underneath if you're interested. I know it's really different content, but if you want more beauty videos, just engage with this video. Let me know underneath what you want more videos on. I'm gonna get back into regular posting. I don't have time to get ready and everything today, but my FabFitFun just arrived, so I wanted to share with you what's in my box for this summer box. Everything linked underneath about FabFitFun, so you can subscribe to it if you're interested. I've been a member now for I think 3 years, and I do the annual membership, so I absolutely love it. Obviously, if I've been doing it for 3 years, but I would definitely do the annual if you can. So here's some codes here if you want free meals from HelloFresh. There's some sort of game here for scratch and match. I'll do this another time. Because I'm an annual member, I get to pick all my items, which I absolutely love. So the first item that I chose here is Ole Henriksen Lemonade Soothing Scrub. It says exfoliates with AHAs and lemon peel extract. It's a facial scrub. I've had good experiences with this brand, and also I always need a facial scrub because I'm dry skin, as you all know. So I chose this and I'm really excited about it. And also let me know underneath what products you want me to try and do reviews on. The next item I chose is the Briogeo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. So this brand I absolutely love. I love Briogeo. You'll see it in my videos and my empties and my empties to come. Anything from this brand that I've tried really works well for me. And I also always need the moisture in everything because I'm so dry. So I chose that. The next thing that I chose is this BB Hairdresser Invisible Primer Oil. I've heard great things about this brand and great things about this product and wanted to try it for years. So I had to choose this. It's like a heat and UV protective primer, and it helps with like breakage, flyaways, detangling. So again, I have dry hair, so it's wavy, as you guys know. So I always need a product to help with the dryness and detangling. So I'm super excited to try this. I'm really happy with this. And what I love about FabFitFun as well is they have brand name products, and also they have everything's full size, which I love because you're getting more for your money than buying all these things separately. The next thing that I chose is the Sensuals De-Stress and Sleep Well Roll-On, 100% natural. I love essential oils. You guys know, you've already seen my videos where I have like doTERRA essential oils and stuff, and everybody needs to de-stress these days. So this one's perfect. It's like a roll-on for sleep and stress. So I'm super excited about these. I'll have to try them and let you guys know as well. But again, very me. And what I love about FabFitFun too is they have like beauty products, but they also have lifestyle products too, like something like this. And you'll see what else I chose in my box as well. So excited to try all these items. Then I chose this, which is the Sunday Citizen Resin Bath Set. It's a refillable soap dispenser and toothbrush holder. So I wanted this for my spare bathroom. I'm just gonna open it up here so you can see it. This is what it looks like. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So this is for your toothbrush, and this is for your soap, liquid soap. So it's a beautiful set. So I chose this because I always like to choose like home items as well, rather than just always beauty items, because I get a lot of that in my other subscription boxes. And then the last item here, oh, here's the cover to the Briogeo. And then the last item here is a perfect item for summer. It's a pool ring. It's like a circle with glitter inside. So it's one of those floaties for on the lake or ocean or wherever it is that you're wanting to use it. And so that was my last item that I chose. So that's everything in my box. That's everything in my box. And I also wanted to mention, I love that they're making the boxes smaller and also more compostable and stuff. So this is everything I got in my FabFitFun summer box. I just got it yesterday, so I wanted to pop on here and quickly film this for you so you can see what kind of items are available. If you want to get the FabFitFun box, I'll have it linked underneath. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.